Hey, it's Sam and Noel with Blue Collar Scholars. We're out here in January looking at retaining walls. And in this video, we're going to show you how to tell if a retaining wall is failing. You can see here, this wall is completely bowing out. This is an obvious sign it needs to be replaced. Here too, it's slightly, however, once one part of the wall is going and it's connected to another wall that's not stable, it's time to replace. Versus, on the other hand, you see this wall here, hopefully you can see it, it's pretty straight. It's leaning a little bit, however, this is not immediate compared to the crumbling stone, and the bowing of that. Here you can see there's an area on top that might be bowing, but this can easily be restacked versus the structure of the wall that needs to be rebuilt.